Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we have this 1975 BMW R75/6 and it hasn't been ran in about 25 years. Some things we've done to it is we've ultrasonically cleaned the carburetors and replaced pretty much every single gasket and seal on the inside. We've replaced the air filter. We have a new battery. We have all new plug wires and spark plugs, new valve cover gaskets. We've adjusted the valves as well as replaced the condenser and replaced the points unit down here. It has brand new tires on it, new tube on the inside of the tire. We've redone some wiring. It has all new fuel line, fuel petcocks. The inside of the tank's been all cleaned out. This bike's actually in really good shape. We've changed the engine oil, transmission oil, rear drive oil. The front master cylinder's been completely rebuilt. The front caliper's been totally rebuilt. Pretty much everything mechanical that's gonna make this bike run well has been replaced. So let's try starting it. So this is the first time I've ever tried starting this bike. So this will be the first time in about 25 years. Jeez. Bird seed everywhere. Trash bag. It's running a little rough, but for the first time in 25 years, I wouldn't say it's running that bad. It's idling on its own, just barely. Look at all, looks like a bunch of insulation, bird seed, bugs. There's a piece of a trash bag. Just stuff everywhere. Just blew out of the exhaust. There must have been a mouse building a house inside of his exhaust. Smoking a little bit. But it runs pretty well actually for its age and not being ran for so long. So now I'm gonna go ahead and check the timing, synchronize the carburetors, and just kind of make sure everything's set up correctly and everything's good to go. And this thing's actually pretty nice for its age, and it should be a really good runner for the guy.